And that seagull were fighting. Who do you think would win? Look at that, look at that. I don't know what they're fighting over. It's like acorns and stuff sitting in there. Seagulls don't eat acorns, they eat worms. But they're quite aggressive towards each other. Check this out. The seagull's bigger than the crow. They're both looking for the same thing. Look at this. That's hilarious. He's down in his ground, the seagull. Look at this. It's funny to watch. I'm in Centennial Park on Salt Spring Island. Look at that. Look at this, yeah. That's so funny. Oh, the crow's very brilliant. Look at this. He's taunting him. Yeah, this is funny though. I've never seen this before. What's he up to? Yeah. I mean, the seagull's a lot bigger than the crow. But the seagull's very pissed off about something. That's funny. I think the crow's teasing him. Look at this. Look at that! Unbelievable! It's that's crazy.